Welcome to this gentle seated practice to activate breast and yoni power. My name is Joss. Please tap subscribe so we can stay connected. And I'll invite you to come into a comfortable seated position. Start to feel into your pelvic bowl, and then you're going to lift your arms out to either side and open through your palms. Inhale to lift up. Exhale down. Ground through your pelvic bowl. Inhale through your spine up. And exhale down. Inhale up. Lengthening through your spine, and exhale, coming all the way down. Softly releasing from this. I'll invite you to come into some gentle circles through your ribs. So I'm kind of feeling into my rib cage as I take these gentle circles. Again, you'll be pressing through your pelvic bowl. And maybe explore the other direction for a few rounds as well, noticing every sensation. Okay, and from here, some side folds. So pick whatever side you like, maybe moving with your breath. So again, press through your pelvic bowl and then reach to either side. Maybe an exhale to fold, and inhale to come back to center. Noticing every sensation. Okay, let this flow, feel nice and gentle, releasing whenever this feels complete for you. Okay, we're coming into conscious touch now, so I'm just gently touching my legs. You can touch anywhere you like, moving slow, moving gentle. Okay, feeling so much love and compassion, and then giving yourself a hug. So this is an anchor pose. And focusing on your center. So focus on the center of your heart as you breathe, noticing the qualities of safety, security. Keep breathing here. Okay, gently coming out of this pose. Take your time. And I'll invite you to take some moves forward and back. This is like a seated cat-cow. As you exhale, you're going to come back round your spine. As you inhale, come forward, slight arch in the back. Okay, keep opening up through your spine as you rock forward and back. When that feels complete, opening up through your arms. So all this movement is to open your upper body through your chest and your heart chakra and your breasts. So palms touch, and then as you inhale, you're going to open up nice and wide. Lift through your heart. Exhale, bring the hands back in. From here, coming into a Hakini Mudra, so that's the fingertips touching. Inhale to lift up. Exhale to come all the way down. Inhale, lifting up. Ground through the pelvic bowl, lift through the spine. Exhale, come down. Inhale, lifting up. Reach through the fingertips. Exhale, slowly come down as you gaze at your hands. Okay, charging up through your palms now. You're going to bring your hands over your breasts and start to bring consciousness here. So you're bringing all of your awareness and your energy through your heart and your breasts. Breathe here. Keep breathing here. Drop all your awareness into your breasts, into your heart chakra. Open, expansive, light. Notice how that feels. Okay, and then you can bring your palms to touch your chest. Keep focusing here. Maybe go to the center of your heart now with a healing light. Breathe in and out. Keep breathing here. Releasing as you're ready. Okay, so keep feeling into your body, taking any moves you need as you release. And I'll invite you into the Yoni Mudra now. So you'll see I'm making a downward triangle. You can place this just below your belly button. You can open through your knees, touch the soles of your feet together. So this is Baddha Konasana pose. Okay, and just notice how it feels to breathe here. Nothing more to do. Think of the qualities of openness, expansion, surrender. Feel an openness through your womb, through your vulva, and breathe. Nice and gentle. Notice if it feels safe to do this pose, if you feel relaxed. Okay, and there's no judgment for whatever you're feeling. Keep breathing into this space, your yoni chakra, your womb, your sacred temple. Gentle breathing in and out. Okay, beautiful. So gently release, and you'll press the soles of your feet down, open through your knees, and notice how I'm kind of lifting through my heart. So there's a slight arch in my back. And again, this is to close the practice up. You're noticing how it feels to be open here, to surrender. There's no tension. Maybe you sense a healing light in your womb. And keep breathing. Qualities of lightness, expansion, compassion. This is a space of flow. And release. Thank you so much. Have a beautiful rest of your day, and thank you for doing this practice with me.